this is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon, and I'm going to show you the Cross Trail by Coachmen. It's a 2022, and it is pretty amazing. There are so many great things about this. It's a Class C, so it's got the overhead bed, and there is an outdoor kitchen. You can take this baby anywhere. So we'll go inside. It's certified green, so that is always a good thing. It's nice and compact, but still has plenty of elbow room. You've got a cool bunk up above. You've got the cargo net so that things don't fly around when you're driving. So we've got a nice little compact kitchen, extra counter space if you need it. Got your convection microwave, 3-burner stove. And as you can see, it goes all the way to the end. We've got probably a double-sized bed. I'd have to double check that. Double check. Great storage up above. And there's a good-sized fridge right here. And I'll let you go by and we'll open up. Actually, you can do some magic with that. I could probably come over here and open the door. Good-sized bathroom with shower. So thank you so much. This is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, and this is the 2022 Cross Trail by Coachmen. If you have any questions, give us a call.